to Gordon guitar. We have a cool song, an uplifting song from Robin Schulz and Tom Walker. And this one is called Sun Will Shine. Not your typical guitar song, but it's cool to do something different sometimes with the guitar. And yeah, let's start. We have 3 chords that we will handle in different ways with some cool melodies and so on. Let's start with capo here on the 2nd fret. All right, so that's a good start for these 3 easy chords: D, E minor, and C. That will be the chord progression through the entire song. So starting with D, that's the chord. We have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next, E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. I will also throw in a different way of holding the D if you want to play this melody later. That will be this grip. Alright, so you need to hold that grip. So that will be a little bit stretchy. Anyway, 5th on A, 5th on D, and 2nd on G. That's what you need kind of for this D variation, the D chord. All right, so there you have it. Now let's start with the first verse. We have, like I said, a chord progression D, E minor, and C through the entire song. So starting with D, 1 round of this strumming will be down, clap, down, down, down. So that is 1 round. Down, clap, down, down, down. So you're gonna play 1 strumming round for D, 1 for E minor, and 2 for C. Okay, D1, E minor 1, and C2. Goes like this. D, E minor, C, C. Again, D, E minor, C. Alright, so there you have 2 rounds of this chord progression. You're gonna play 4, and that is your first verse. Then comes the first pre-chorus, cause the sun will shine tomorrow. Okay, so we have a new strumming pattern here, still the same chords there, and D1, E minor 1, and C2, but the strumming will be down, clap, down, clap. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So for D, that is 1 round. Down, clap, down, clap. So D1, E minor 1, and C2, you're going to play that chord progression for 4 rounds. Let's go for 2 rounds. D, E minor, C, D, E minor, C, C. Now you can choose to play this with a clap on all strings. That will kill the sound a little bit and give you more prominent claps, or you can do it with just a thumb or kick on this E string here, the lower E string. That will let the other strings ring out. So that will sound like this. I actually prefer this version in this song because you want something to ring out there. So that's my option for this way of playing. You can go either way. Okay, 4 rounds of that chord progression, and that takes us to the drop here. Yeah, it will be all right. It will be all right for a couple times. So there you have 2 choices. You can still play the D, E minor, and C, just basic strumming. Now you will do 4 downs is 1 round, so to speak. So it will be 4 downs for D, 4 downs for E minor, and 8 downs for C, because it's still twice as long. So D, 2, 3, 4, E minor, again, this chord progression for 4 rounds. Or you can try to hit the notes. So the notes, you will find the notes here, or the melody for this. And like I said in the beginning here, the D will be this grip. Okay, so you're gonna play 5th on A, 5th on D, and 2nd on G. For the E minor, you're gonna play this. So that is 2nd on D, open G, and open B. And you will have the best scenario here, the chord as the grip here, so you have the option to hit the bass strings like this and get more backbone to it. Okay, and then you have the C, you emphasize the same notes there, but I prefer to switch to a C grip. But now you will take away the 1st fret B string, that needs to be open, since the notes are same notes for E minor. So that will be 2nd on D, open G, and open B. But now with C in the bass, so. And that's actually C major 7, but yeah, we have C as the chord here. So the notes will be again D, E minor, and the same for C. So with the bass, it will sound like this. Took off there a little bit, but that is the kind of idea of this. And here you don't have any rules with it. You have the notes here and you can strum in your way. The important thing here is the timing. So what you do with your right hand, it's not that important. Shift the chords in the right time and that will make it for the song. So it could be something like this. For 4 rounds, I went for 140 rounds there, but that's why it's so nice to play. That's the reason. So anyway, 4 rounds of that, and that is the first drop. Next, 2nd verse, that will be played in the same way as the first one, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus, sorry, the 2nd pre-chorus. And that is not played in the same way as the first one. We have a new strumming pattern, we call it like that. It's the same chords, still D, E minor, and C. Now one round will be down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down, D, E minor, C, first half of this 2nd pre-chorus, that means the first 2 rounds will be played in this way, and the second 2 rounds you will play faster downs only. So that will be 8 downs for D, 8 downs for E minor, and 16 downs for C. So 1, 2, 3, 2 rounds of that. So that is the second pre-chorus. So still 4 rounds, you just divide it into 2 rounds for that strumming, and then the downs for the last 2 rounds. And that takes us to the second drop, played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. You're free to play the melody or the downs there. And then we have just the final part, the outro. It's very slow like this, 2 downs on D, 2 downs on E minor, and it ends on 1 beautiful down on the C. And that wraps it up for Schulz and Walker's Sun Will Shine. And yeah, that's what the song is all about. So we have 3 chords. To summarize this, we have different ways of playing it, and we have this cool drop with the melody. You can just freak out a little bit and do it in your style. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped, and hope to see you soon. Play tuned.